Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there birdies, and welcome back to the channel once again. And today something a little bit different. Today we have a lesser sand-plover, or as it's known now, a Tibetan sand-plover. In non-breeding plumage, as we see with this one here, the Tibetan or lesser sand-plover can be quite difficult to distinguish from the greater sand-plover. But the Tibetan or lesser has a proportionally smaller head, it's darker legged, whereas the greater is more yellow legged, and has a shorter bill with a slight bulge at the tip. Now I'm sure if I got that wrong, somebody will tell me. One way that I've read to distinguish from the size of the bill is that if you turn the bill from the base to the tip and turn it around 180 degrees, the tip of the bill should not proceed further past the back of the eye, if that makes sense. Anyway, I saw this bird at Pak Thale Shorebird Site here in Thailand, and at the moment the critically endangered spoonbill sandpiper is also showing very well here. So look out for that one in a further video. Well, if you do happen to visit the Pak Thale Shorebird Site here, I'm pretty sure that you'll see these birds. As usually, we will see anything from 100 to over 1,000 of these birds. But anyway, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. Not that I think you'll need to with this bird. But anyway, here goes. Well, anyway, just a short video on this cool looking little bird, the lesser or Tibetan sand-plover. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe and all of that, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.